Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we are excited to talk about the Sparkle Piqué size paper towels, which we confidently declare as the best paper towels available. With a total of 24 double rolls, equivalent to 48 regular rolls, these paper towels are not only strong but also incredibly versatile, making them perfect for everyday messes without breaking the bank. Each roll comes with 110 sheets that are 2-ply, ensuring superior strength and absorbency. The Piqué size feature is a game changer, allowing you to choose between full and half sheets, making it easier to tackle any spill, large or small. This means less waste and more efficient cleaning, whether you're in the kitchen, tackling DIY projects, or cleaning up after outdoor activities. Sustainability is also at the forefront of Sparkle's production. These paper towels are made from sustainably sourced trees, aligning with the Sustainable Forestry Initiative's fiber sourcing standard. So, while you're making your home cleaner and brighter, you can feel good knowing that you're supporting eco-friendly practices. Not only are Sparkle Piqué size paper towels strong and reliable, but they also come in an aesthetically pleasing white color that fits seamlessly into any home decor. The bulk packaging is convenient, ensuring you have an ample supply on hand for all your household needs. So, if you're looking for a paper towel that delivers on performance, value, and sustainability, look no further than Sparkle Piqué size paper towels. They're truly the best choice for a clean and tidy home. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products available.